Holy shrimp, that's epic!
It's reaction time!
Okay guys, so we have yet another Dashie video to react to. And this is a fan-made video that one person requested me to react to. This is Dashie Wheezing for 2 minutes straight. This is composed by Matthew K, the publisher of the video, and the one that compiled the wheezing moments of Dashie. But anyway guys, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Matthew K for making the video, and subscribe to Dashie's channel as well. As always, I'm going to add both of the channels in usual areas: DCO, description, comments, and the outro. And with that said, let us go ahead and react to this video. We shall see how it goes. And before I get started, I just want to admire the color background. Anyway guys, let's roll the clip. God! Whoa, what the? Is that Blanca? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What in the world? Oh. What the? Oh my god, man. Oh my goodness. What the? Oh! Okay. The homie Lamar, homie JD, and many more. Oh! Somebody got that subscriber emote on point with Dashie. Oh man. Cuphead collab. Oh snap. Uh-oh. What in the world? Oh my god. Oh, Corey Kenshin. Also, shouts out to Corey Kenshin for that crazy April Fool's joke from earlier. Oh my god. Holy shrimp. Oh my god. Man. Dang! Gang beats must be no joke, man. Oh. Oh. Nice. Dang. Oh man, they're like, ooh. Holy shrimp, man. Is there one more? No, it's just background. That was great. That was totally great. Guys, this has been the Wheezing compilation of Dashie himself for 2 minutes, composed by Matthew K. Compiled together and composed by Matthew K. I hope you guys enjoy reaction to the fullest. This is requested by a fellow subscriber. If you enjoyed this reaction, as always, smack that thumbs up button because we will keep going, and subscribe to both Matthew K and Dashie. I'm going to add those channels in usual areas: DCO, description, comments, and the outro. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, otherwise want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe for more content with the notifications on. Follow my social media and Twitch if you like, and do not forget, as always, to share because you care. And with that said, the more to come soon. This is Silverreploid CLD. I love you guys to the fullest, and as always, I will see Reploid, Mavericks, Maverick Hunters, Sigma, Dashie fans, I'm a Dashie fan too, etc. Everyone, in the next video. Stay blessed, warmed, and loved, and as always, I will see you guys next time at Utopia. If you haven't already, please make sure to click the bell symbol located by the subscriber count. Just one click away, and boom! Hi there Reploids, this is Silverreploid CLD. Wanted to take the time to say thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more content, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow my social media for more updates, and in case you missed it, please check out my previous video or any video displayed, and please give tons of love and support. I look forward to seeing you at the Utopia, my dear Reploids.